They'll relate. You know what? When I drank, I did this to my son. I did this to my daughter. I did this to my wife. I shouldn't have done that. That's it. They won't go into how that has impacted them. Like. But if it's a woman who's talking, you will see the woman say, I said this to my wife and my daughter, and I know how it must have hurt her, and I feel so bad about it. That's how she will talk. The man will just relate. I did this, then my son did this, I hit him, I said this, that's it. You're expected to understand all the emotions from just the relating of the incident. So there's a big difference. And I've also worked with the LGBT community. See, we have a regular group that runs here of gay, lesbian, bisexual people. So we have people who are male to female transgender, female to male transgender people, all of them in one group. That every Saturday we meet. Okay, but this Saturday we didn't. And that group is very interesting when it comes to this thing on body image and talking. Because each of them have their own issues about their body. So you find like there's this female to male transgender person. I have their artwork. You should see how we should address this person as he, because he considers himself as he, though it's a woman's body. How he has drawn the breast and he's just cut it, with the. I hate this part of my body. And that process of just doing that helped this person. And for me to understand how much this person hated anything relating to femininity, because this was not him. I'm a male and I've got this, and drew a uterus, and that also like scratched it so much that the paper tore, like so much. I just don't like, this is not me. I want it out of my body. That sort of hate. And at the same day, same session, we had this male to female transgender who was also sitting there, and she also had done this thing, and she is like, I want to do a breast enhancement surgery. I want to do, and like she's talking about totally changing into a female, and she's already gone through the sexual reconstruction surgery. But what I'm saying is, when you see a group like that, I find that whether it is a male gender, female gender, it doesn't matter. People are able to talk, they're able to connect, and they're able to bring their innermost feelings. And I'm sure it has a lot to do with art, because it's coming through artwork that they're able to come so easily into the emotions. But men's